Are you looking for a new way to reach your target audience? We're Marti, Stormy, and Raina Mongiello with our partners and team of Mike, Patty, Faria, Dolly, and Istiak at Mongiello Associates Strategic Marketing, and we can help you target your advertising efforts to reach the right people with your message. We've got extensive knowledge in branding and marketing and access to state-of-the-art tools that allow us to keep track of your campaign's performance. And we can provide you with data you need to make informed decisions about your marketing campaign. We also promise a higher return on investment for your advertising dollars. Be sure to scan the code at the end of our presentation and video, or click on the link in the description to contact us today to learn more about how we can help you reach your target audience. Let us put our experience and resources to work for you. You won't be disappointed.